Hello and welcome to our tutorial. We will see how we can create a video from a collection of images and add background audio using command line and upload to YouTube. Create a folder and copy files as shown in the video. I have 8 images and 1 background audio file. Now, type the command as shown here. And you can specify the frame rate as per your requirement. Add star.png, which means that all the PNG files will be added to the video in one go. Type your background audio file name. You need to type shortest to stop video. After the audio stream is finished, type your output file name. Just run the command, and your video will be created in a few seconds.